Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have hot dogs. Every single thing in the store is on these hot dogs.
Yeah. Except mine. Mine have no pork on it.
But mine's have pork on it. But before we dig in and I tell you what's the topping, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. Don't do it, First Lady. Let me do it.
Okay, we are back. So we have hot dogs, like I told you. We have some fries in the middle, and then we have some cheese sauce back here. It's nice and warm. Okay, and we're gonna dip our hot dogs in there if we feel like it. So on my hot dog, I have here jalapenos and bacon. That's the first one. The second one, I have bacon again, and then I have some refried. What do I call it? Refried beans on it also. And then on this hot dog, I have cheese and chili on top of it. And then on this hot dog, I have sauerkraut and cheese. And then I have American cheese on all of our hot dogs. We love American cheese on all of our hot dogs and mayo. We did mayo the bun. On this hot dog for my husband, he has American cheese, ketchup, and mayo on top. And on this one is ketchup and mustard, plain. This one, he has chili. And then this one right here is jalapeno galore, full of jalapeno. And then this one in the back is sauerkraut. And then this one, in this side,
Fully loaded.
fully loaded. But it has lettuce and tomato and American cheese.
Yes. Gosh, man.
That was a lot. That's it. So, honey, look. You see what I'm talking about?
Enough napkin there. Come on.
So if there's enough napkin, how come y'all just give me one little big napkin?
Where would nap on your side, man?
I just feel like
Eat more.
Go ahead and eat. So, which one you gonna start with first?
Hey, no,
I want to know which one you gonna start with
which one
first.
first?
I'm curious.
Anyone close? I know this might work with the plain one.
I'm gonna try the chili one. This is how it looks. Yes, that's how it looks.
Birthday.
Wow.
You're good.
Did I tell you?
And some Chick-fil-A sauce, you know?
Oh, for the French fries?
Whatever. Wow. I bring your water too, right?
I'm drinking a, excuse me, crushed strawberry soda today. Like my husband said, whatever.
Whatever, it's the same.
You guys know.
And then homemade drink, you know? Fruit drink, homemade.
Mix up.
Mix up, you know? Get us that. Long time to eat that, you know?
Long time. I just thought about it. I was like, you know what? Let's make some hot
Nice and
dogs.
salty too. These are what, the Nathan's?
Nathan's hot dog. And I'm telling you this right now. I'm not a...
Why gonna be Shini's hot dog? Why gotta be Nathan? Watch them try to Where's the hot dog is this again?
Shanice's hot dog.
Good Shini's hot dog.
Listen. Our family, we like hot dog, but it's not something that we make all the time. We make it once in a while. But don't give me no boiled hot dog.
Yeah.
You like boiled hot dog?
Nah.
I don't like boiled hot dog.
I'll eat it if I have no choice. Like, you know what I'm saying? But we don't like the boiled one. You know what I mean? Tommy, you want some of this? No sriracha, whatever.
Sriracha.
All right, now I'm gonna eat the one with the jalapeno. Yeah.
I have 4 hot dogs and my husband has 6.
4 me out.
He wanted 7.
4 me out.
So. Let me tell you something. This is a quick meal, but it's really good because you have so many different toppings.
Yeah.
I see y'all want to lick the wrapper.
Wrapper lipa.
You're hungry.
Always hungry.
I haven't had a hot dog with sauerkraut in so long. That's my favorite. Honey, you see how? Look at that.
What happened? A drop?
It almost. Yo.
I'm
Yo.
gonna pick up every single one of them I eat, man.
Oh, it's to the brim.
Right here by the floor.
Wow, it was hanging on for dear life.
Alright, chili one now.
You're gonna like that one.
But she man. Me, I love anything with meat on it.
I can show you my favorite one.
What are we talking?
What?
There's a little anything with
Your money talking about you. Watch yourself.
Watching speech.
Have another napkin, please. Yeah.
Tell me the two.
Thank you.
There you go.
This guy is stingy with the napkins, even in the house.
I go with napkin, I'm done.
We love anything with meat. Yo, watch yourself now. Mine.
Go on, mom. Look a freaky dog there, you know what I mean?
Are you safe? So what's in that juice? Let me taste it.
Strawberry. Watermelon. Mango.
Ooh, that's good. Wow.
Nice, right?
We need to sell that. Okay. I too am gonna try the one with the jalapenos. 'Cause I love spicy stuff.
Wow. Oh. That's good.
Guys, you have to do this.
Hot Dog Thursday.
You know, this is good for
Which one should I
a
go?
party.
Which one should I go?
I don't know. This is good for a party.
I eat all three of them at the same time.
If you could, I know you would.
Fully loaded now. The chalupa hot dog. This one is fully. Everything on it. You know what I'm saying? Same thing.
If you have kids,
A good quick meal.
quick meal. And then what you do, when you make the hot dogs, put it in the bun, and have all the toppings on the side, like a taco.
I'm really sauerkraut one this.
Me too. That's what I have in front of me. How is it with the lettuce, tomato, cheese, yam?
Same here, like a sandwich.
Yeah, that is true. What are you laughing at?
Yeah, I know what time it is.
Whatever.
Oh my God. Once I hear that now, I know it's over.
Mind your business.
You ask me what happened, so I'll tell you.
Mind your business.
Cheers. This is the sauerkraut one. The sour.
Once again, it's our only meal for the day. Well, that I'm eating for the day.
Me too.
It's too early. He's gonna eat like. Wow, we made about 4. You have 6. That's 10. I made 15 hot dogs. And they're all gone.
Mm-hmm. The two greedy pit them running. You always do that, though. For your pay attention to your stuff, you always watching me. I don't know why you do that. Oh, yeah, watching. Yeah, say she's greedy, huh? I heard y'all. I heard y'all. I know you said she's greedy. Just acting like she's not greedy.
This is the sauerkraut with cheese and ketchup and all kind of crap. Sorry guys, we don't have a video of the day. I mean, like how we made it, because
It's simple.
it's just hot dogs. You just put whatever topping you want.
Do what you feel, you know?
But again, we put our hot dogs in the oven. And if it wasn't raining, we would put them on the grill. We love grilled hot dog. But the oven is the second best. No boil for us.
I know you're full. So you go, What do you think I laugh?
I know.
Yes, I leave it for later.
I'm gonna eat this one.
Daughter can eat it.
Yeah, you can't have this because I put bacon on top.
I can't eat that. The daughter is on candy, I'm not.
The 3 that I ate was good. My favorite is a chili.
I don't got a favorite. All of them eat good.
You know, the problem is that you don't chew.
You told me to.
You just go, huh? That's what you do. Huh? And you swallow.
That's true, girl.
No, you don't chew.
Okay, get to do the yard work today, man.
You know, we're gonna do some yard work, but it started raining out of nowhere too. And we're gonna play volleyball. Mother Nature said, hell no.
Yeah, you gotta whip your little boy.
Whatever. Mother Nature said, hell no, we won't go.
Yeah, man. Create some space, shake it off. Wow. Wow. That was awesome.
Listen, it wasn't planned. It just came out.
Now you can eat that.
Shake it. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Nothing now, Wiz. Nothing now, Dr. I'm done.
That was good.
We tore this hot dog up. And the good thing that the bread wasn't so thick. It was a perfect size bread.
Nice one.
And guys, don't buy no cheap bread. I hate those cheap breads that be falling apart. It's like, what's the point?
Good with the pork pie going. Trust me. I brushed on that.
Alright, guys. Thank you so much for coming and watching us today. We really appreciate it as always.
True.
And remember, we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us.
Wait. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and give me that one, yeah. Don't give me that one. Don't give me that one there. Finish your thing now.
Now I'm gonna forget.
Bye!
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him.